Nutriculture's resident lighting expert, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the benefits of the Gavita Pro-Line E-Series full fixture ballast and how we can get the most from it. Firstly, there are two variations, one being the single-ended lamp and second, the double-ended lamp. The benefits of the double-ended lamp over the single-ended one is light density that it provides, which in turn leads to improved yields. For that reason, we'll focus on the double-ended lamp. The sealed ballast of the Gavita full fixture is engineered to keep the grow room humidity out, protecting the electronics and maintaining its performance at the highest level for a longer period of time. The ingenious design also includes a Gore-Tex protection, ventilation, that allows the air to escape when the ballast gets warmer during operation, without dirt or debris being allowed to enter the ballast. Additionally, the fins on the side of the unit allow air movement along the ballast to keep the unit cool. A point to note, a temperature increase of 10% can reduce the lifespan of your ballast by up to 50%. The LED here indicates the status of the ballast and lets you know when the light fixture is in operation. The selector dial allows the manual output selection and can boost the output of your lamp by 15%. When using the Gavita E-Series full fixture with the master controller, turn the dial to the external position. When the dial is in this position, the fixture is only enabled by the master controller. To connect the master controller to the ballast, simply connect the RJ12 cable, which is provided with the master controller, to this point here. The power to run the ballast and lamp comes from the IEC input. It's where the cable provided is plugged in. One of the key elements for the high-performing lighting system is the reflector. The Gavita Pro-Line E-Series has a Miro aluminium reflector. It's handmade in the Netherlands and provides superior reflectivity. A key thing to remember is that you should never brush or clean your reflector with detergent. It will degrade and the reflector and the reflectivity will be seriously reduced. A better solution is to replace the reflector. To replace the reflector, first we'll need to remove the lamp. And then gently ease out the lamp. You'll notice that I'm wearing a glove. It's to protect the lamp from any grease or dirt that I may have on my hand that could easily be transferred to the lamp, which would severely damage it later when power is running through it. If you do get any grease on the lamp, clean it with alcohol before returning it to the fixture. Anyway, back to replacing the reflector. Step 1 is to pull this lever here. Step 2 is to lift it from the notches. That's it. Simple. To replace the reflector, you simply line up the two notches at the bottom, which are here. So line them up, put them in, lift the handle, line the two legs up on the handle, press that round into position, and voila, perfect. So now we need to replace the lamp. You'll want to make sure that this thing here, which is called the getter, is closest to the ballast. It'll catch the debris from the outer lamp, protecting it and maintaining its high performance for longer. Also, when replacing the lamp, you want to make sure that the wires at the end are straight. If you don't do this, it could cause poor connection, can impair the performance, and it could even damage the lamp holders. So we return like this. From the slot, down, close the lamp. And that's how you maintain your Gavita Pro-Line E-Series full fixture lighting kit. For more information on the Gavita products, visit our website at nutriculture.co.uk or follow the links in the notes below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides and tips on using and maintaining your hydroponic equipment. Thank you for watching.